Hi friends, I'm Gayatri. Welcome to my channel Anyone Can Crochet. Today we are going to see scrunchies, the English version, and in many places they'll say Jadamati too. We are going to see with velvet yarn and beads. With beads, I'm going to teach you two patterns. So for that we are going to use J hook. Now we are going to make a chain stitch. And hold it close to the elastic band. Keep the elastic band on top of the chain and put one single crochet, and chain 6 and single crochet in that elastic band. And single crochet in the same one. Yeah, push that to that close to that stitch. So now it looks like a loop for you. So we will follow this one entire that elastic band. So single crochet, chain 6, chain 6 and single crochet in the same elastic band. It will be a little bit kind of tough in the initial, but when you go a little bit bigger, more stitches, then it will be easier for you to make single crochet in that. So chain 6, single crochet, we will do the same pattern, the entire elastic band, and we will meet at the end. Now we are at the end. See, with 2 more stitches we will complete the scrunchies. We have to put like this tightly so that it looks way prettier. 6 chain and single crochet in that one, in the elastic. One more time, 6 single crochet and 1 single crochet in the elastic. I made a slip stitch in the elastic so that we are completing the scrunchie. Now cut the yarn, pull the thread, and I'm going to knot the first starting yarn and the ending yarn to make it secure. This is how the scrunchie looks like. With the needle, we will weave the ends. We will weave the ends inside that elastic itself, so that we should not cut the thread at the same point. We may think that it won't be good. That's why we are going to secure the yarns with the needle. Once securing, it looks like this one. Now I am showing how to secure the yarn for you. I am using the orange yarn to the near the violet yarn kind of texture, that side to the. I am using one of the yarn in one side and the other yarn in the other side for a couple of stitches. Then we can cut the thread, so it will be safe for using. Now using the purple yarn inside the orange area, we use the multi-color thread. That's why it looks like two different colors. I am using on the other side so that it will be easy for going to like 4 or 5 stitches from that. Now everything is secured correctly. This is how the finished product looks like. You can give it for the Varalakshmi Puja. Coming is the Varalakshmi Puja. For that return gift, you can give this as a gift, and you can give for birthday parties return gift. You can give for friends, and you can make for everybody, and it looks very good for everybody. You can make like lot of different things with the scrunchies. These are a couple of patterns. There are more patterns. Now we will see with the beading one. Beading one, you have to put the candle or wax candle, melted wax candle or glue stick, and you have to apply it. I have shown you how to do it. Apply it and put the beads inside before starting it. Then only you can make the scrunchies with the beading thing. That's what we have to do. But we cannot use that glue one, so we will cut that cloth yarn and we'll dispose it. Now we are going to use 3.5 mm hook for this pattern. I'm going to make a loop and hold and put the elastic in the needle, and I'm going to put the loop on the top of the needle and bring it underneath to the top. Then going to make a chain stitch. The below yarn, I'm going to hold it to the close to the elastic, and I'm going to chain 3 and going to make 1 double crochet in the elastic. So yarn over. I'm not leaving the thread. I'm going to hold the thread with me. Then only that thread will not show up. We are doing double crochet. Yarn over under the elastic and pull the yarn, and first is 2 stitch, second 2. We are going to do 4 stitches. Fourth one, yarn over, pull the yarn to first 2 and second 2. Now we have 4 stitches in the elastic. Now we are going to keep the bead. For that we are going to do yarn over and pull the yarn and first 2. Now we will have the bead in the stitch, so that we have to bring the bead to the top of the stitch and then yarn over and pull in the rest 2. So now the bead will stay on the top of the stitch. Now we will do 4 double crochet, and in the 5th double crochet we will have the bead. So one more time I'm saying, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, whenever you are doing it you have to move the beads to the back. 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, in the 5th one we are going to keep the bead. So we are going to do yarn over underneath and pull the yarn, first 2, and put the bead. Now you have to keep the place the bead. So move the bead with your left hand to bring the bead to near close to the right hand, and then yarn over and pull through next 2 stitches. So now when you look at the front, you will have 4 double crochet, then bead, 4 double crochet, then bead. We have to do this pattern continuously until the end, but it should be close, so that only it looks pretty like the previous scrunchies. Now we are going to keep the bead. So bring the bead to the top and then yarn over and pull to the 2. So see, it is coming on the top, it will place on the top. Four double crochet, 3 we have done. So we are going to do 4th one. After this, then we will keep the bead. Now we will keep the bead. Now we are at the end. Now we are going to do the slip stitch on top of the chain 3 1 which we started at the beginning. So now we are putting the slip stitch on top of the chain 3. It is completed. Now cut the yarn and pull the yarn. Now you can see scrunchies. Now we are going to weave the stitch. I'm going to make a knot, then we are going to weave the stitch. Weaving on the bottom of the elastic, close to the elastic, we are weaving for a couple of stitches, like 5 6, I think so it's more than 6 to 7 stitches I'm going to weave. Then it looks pretty and we will be very confident that it won't get rip off easily. This is the second pattern of the scrunchie with beaded pattern. There are a lot of scrunchies pattern we can make in the future. This you can give it for the give it for the Varalakshmi Puja, all those stuff. These two are, that is the first pattern and this is the second pattern. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, press the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.